I'm controlling any else.
Oh, me be up to so.
Coffee water, Papa. Yeah, I call a question for you, my wife. You.
I go. Amen.
Yeah, Mama, do what we say.
Yeah.
Papa, I said go. Papa.
Kokuma.
Papa. I said go. Papa.
Kokuma.
I don't want to see your face.
Papa. Kokuma.
Go. Papa. You bastard. Papa.
Kokuma nya abotre.
Papa.
Kokuma si abotre.
Na. Papa cho. Wani bia mefa padi ayo bia. Papa chano. Papa cho. Minyo bia ka uwa mefane na. Papa cho. Papa cho.
We saw why our friend Nana. She's my daughter.
For whatever misunderstanding that has gone on for all these years, it is only the chief priest who can tell us the truth.
Get them water.
Oh,
thank you. We are okay. Thank you. Yozo.
Yo. Mewezo.
Thank you.
Do you come from this village? I have never seen you two before.
No, but we have a message from the city for you.
Me?
Yes.
But I don't know nobody in the city. It is only my daughter who disappeared about 12 years ago. Nobody knows where she is now.
Anyo. Nkadim na la piama.
Anyo. Wusu. Anyo. What do you want here?
Anyo, what do you want here again?
I don't want to see your face. Wusu, get out of it. Leave my compound. Wusu, Maba, leave my compound. Wusu, leave.
Oh, please. Take it easy. Don't send them away. We have come for reconciliation.
Nkashi. Nyada kamelio, miega gbogbomo. Asama, nyada kamelio, miega gbogbomo. La piama.
Don't say that. If your child defecates on your lap, you don't amputate it. Please,
yes,
just
you only clean it.
We are here with your daughter, Enyo, and your granddaughter, Jifa, named after you. Please, Jifa, come and greet your grandparents.
Mama, you can't tell better than you. Don't want my blood. Kotanya bell boke. Danya jago koke.
Nothing, Gofia. Get up from there. Look at his small face like her mother's face. Get up.
I'm on the way too.
So?
My name is Emefa. I'm from Petwe, from Agbamavi family. Suno nyeki, mi de miano no wa. Pe wi nyeki. Inyade keme jore nyekwa kuli do mekpo.
Lady, you've been married for 18 years. And I said so. Before you got married, didn't your parents approve of the marriage? So what are you telling me now? Do you come from this village? No. You two, do you come from this village? Do you know what happened before I said they should not get married? I don't like that nonsense. This is my house. Sit down.
Oh, please,
Mama, sit down.
Please.
Don't come and tell me no nonsense here. Sit down. Or you leave my compound.
Try to forgive and forget.
Forgive and forget. Look, don't come and talk any rubbish about sit down.
Afo.
Mama, sit down.
Afo, Mama, what you did that? Etta blue toba. Want to me too, young Shungu for fine ration. The AGYA about the okay.
No. You want to talk to me too? You are giving me a proverb in tweet. I don't like that. Look, you must be very careful. Look, Bumara. Are you the one to come and apologize on her behalf? Does she know that she has done anything wrong? Sure. My friend. Did you know that you will come and Dakuku before you went to doing the thing with him without my consent? Get up from here! Get up from here! Try to you to get out. This is my compound. Leave my compound. Get out. Didn't you know before you want to do the thing with him? Get out of here.
Oh, please.
Please. Do you know what happened? You say you don't come for this place. Do you know what happened? No, I told you I don't know nonsense in my house. Get out. Get out. Go more. Sure, fair. But get out. Wusu, leave my compound. The money Jimo. Sure. God damn it, let me see. Come on. Sure. Man, yeah. Ah, je vais me derrière. Daouija.
Papa, you are a confrontation for Jimmy.
Ago. Amen.
Yeah, Mama, you will be something.
Yeah.
Papa, I said go. Papa.
Kokuma.
Papa. I said go. Papa.
Kokuma.
I don't want to see your face.
Papa. Kokuma.
Go. Papa. You bastard. Papa.
Kokuma nyabotre.
Papa. Papa.
Kokuma siabotre.
Na. Papa Cho. Wani bia mefa padi ayo bia. Papa Chano. Papa Cho. Minyo bia ka uwa mefa na. Papa Cho. Papa Cho.
We saw why our friend Nana. She's my daughter.
For whatever misunderstanding that has gone on for all these years, it is only the chief priest who can tell us the truth.
I said go!
Papa.
Hey. 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 This is what happened.
Nana, we've decided to take blood covenant to show our commitment for each other.
You don't need blood covenant to show your commitment for each other.
Nana, I have tried in vain to persuade to change her mind, but she is not convinced.
If you want it done, I will do it for you. But there is a price to pay. Should any one of you fail to honor the promise you made to each other, both of you will go mad.
Nana, we don't have any problem with that. Or Doji, do we?
No.
Now, I will need pubic hair from both of you and 2 pieces of gold from your family shrine. Brago.
Miss Nana.
Birago, you are a very brave woman. How did you manage to get them from the shrine? How did you?
Nana, I'm not called Brago for nothing. If I want something, no matter the consequence, I go for it.
Good. If we give you the opportunity, you can kill a lion. Now give me the hair. I will need your blood. It will be used to seal the bond. Now let me ask you for the last time. Do you people understand what you are asking for? Should one of you decide not to marry, both of you will go mad. Do you agree to that? Huh?
Nana, we agree.
Now,
Bring your hands, let me take the blood. Yeah. The fearful one.
I'm a video. I'm a video. I'm a video. Oh no, come for ya. Oh no, come for no chica. Opening you.
Take it. Throw it into a river. And in the course of doing that, hold each other firmly.
Bravo. You should stop seeing that boy. Men from that tribe are not good.
Papa, do you have any example to substantiate your point?
Hey, Bravo, he is your father. If he says no, it is no.
Papa, that is not fair. I'll marry him.
I said no.
Papa, I love Deji. I'll marry him. Hey, mommy. I love Deji. Marry him. Deji, I love you.
What is happening?
Dada. Kwale wa dojira. Ebe kwale wa dojira. Le nyonu ta, nyonu e ko bo adeta. Kwale wa dojira. Me ta ma. Jogba. Nyegba shanti so, oblo adikado mi aduma. Me ta ma. Afisi afike mi po mero le. Adikado mi aduma. Chofifia fasere ma fo. Chofifia fasere ma fo. Anya gbo ma le sia. Enya me gbo sia. Me ba nya me gbo sia.
Dada no wa here. Dada, what have you done to our daughter? What have you done to our daughter? What have you done to our daughter? Enkejo. Aboni na maye no na mo ba no wanya swaketua.
Oh, you are Babu. I told you, our daughter is paying for her action. Hey, Dada, what have you done wrong? For refusing our daughter to marry your son? Is it a crime? Is it a crime? Hey, only Bangani. What is up here? What is Balitimu da? Agwanagwa, Namudia Jimmy Bano.
Mumba Jaham come for some be a matami. Mumba Jaham come for some be a matami.
Nana Kaswa, and what I'm going to need da.
Open. I was right. Because I did not allow our daughter to marry your son. You go ahead and kill her. Kill her! Kill her! Hey! Kill her! Musante fomu fisa mu adwin ti obia. Na aya me ba no jimi. Na fa wo ba no fa ko ma ba ma fofa wa wale. Esa sato. Me kogela. Anya. Choo! Davy, let me tell you, none of our descendants will be allowed to marry from your wicked, callous and inferior tribe. Me probi mana wa anwunani. Anwunato. Ya no one say nambe. Mo check mo. It will never happen. It will never happen.
That is the whole truth. These are the 2 pieces of gold. These are the 2 pieces of gold that Barago brought. Take them. Take them. Take them. Take them. Now, you must all live in peace. Huh?
My daughter.
Papa.
I am very sorry. I never knew this.
Oh. Papa.
Baba Sia.
Yo.
Vinho. Baba yo. Baba Sia.
Owusu. Owusu. Please forgive me. I've forgiven you, Papa. And take me as your father.
How long shall we carry on fighting? How long shall we let those who can shoot by us? No matter where you're coming from the north or south or east or west, nothing matters more than the love we have to share. Together we can stand, together we can build, together we can make it, together we can win, together we can make it, together we can stand for the right, stand for the right now, yeah.
Kokuma, Efo. Mama. Fauda dino mami. Kokuma.
Efo.
Kokuma.
Efo.
Mo wada na kosia. True. Fa bibia to nchen ya.
More than the love we have to share.